chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And if you're really great, you can also turn on those post notifications as well. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some simple home remedies and hacks to get rid of stretch marks at home, or not necessarily get rid of, but reduce the appearance of stretch marks. If you are not aware, once stretch marks are already on your body, there's really no way to get rid of them, but you definitely can reduce the appearance of them. And I'm here to share with my Glam fam all of my beauty tips, hacks, and tricks in order to get the smoothest, most beautiful skin that you've always desired to have. Let me share with you all these beauty tips and tricks to keep off those pesky stretch marks. Now first, let me start by sharing with you all a little bit more information about stretch marks. Stretch marks happen when your skin changes shape rapidly due to growth or weight gain. Now they are not a sign that there is anything wrong with your health. Stretch marks are an extremely natural thing. Even sometimes you'll see people like bodybuilders with stretch marks because all that's happening is the skin is stretching. If you're gaining muscle, your skin is stretching, whatever the case may be. So a lot of us have stretch marks and they are not due to any type of underlying health issue, just pretty much due to the skin stretching rapidly. Now if you're unaware about the timeline of stretch marks, at first they'll probably appear as a thin purple or red line, and then of course they'll form into the actual full stretch mark over time. Now getting rid of stretch marks in a completely natural way is impossible, as I mentioned, but you can definitely reduce the appearance of them. And if you don't have stretch marks currently, you can use these hacks to keep stretch marks away. One of the number one things that I'd recommend for keeping stretch marks off is vitamin A. Vitamin A is referred to as a retinoid. Retinoids make skin appear more youthful and younger looking. They are used in many over-the-counter topical creams. So if you use vitamin A in any type of creams or lotions, that will definitely help with reducing the appearance of your stretch marks. Keep in mind that you will never be able to completely get rid of stretch marks. I have to put that out there to my Glam fam, but you can definitely tone down the appearance of them. Now, number 2, we also have sugar. Now I know a lot of people are probably going, what? Huh? Sugar? Well, let me share with you all a mixture that contains sugar that you can use to help keep off those stretch marks. Some people swear by sugar for reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Rubbing a sugar scrub to the skin will exfoliate that area and help to reduce the appearance of stretch marks furthermore. Mix 1 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of a softening agent like almond oil or coconut oil before mixing to the consistency of wet beach sand. Add some lemon juice. Lemon juice is also great for getting that skin to an even tone. If you did not know that about lemon juice, well then you know now. And a lot of the stuff that is already within our homes, that is already within our kitchen, can help improve our skin in so many different types of ways. Now scrub the mixture onto the part of the body where there are stretch marks or just your area of concern. Repeat several times a week while in the shower, making sure to rub the mixture on for 8 to 10 minutes. And voila! Your stretch marks have toned down in a nick of time, just so that you can put on that bikini and everything that you want to wear in 2021. Number 3, we have aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a tried and true within this household. Aloe vera is great for so many different types of things, and this is just one of the things that aloe vera works great for, which is reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Pure aloe vera is both a natural healing agent and a skin softener. This makes aloe vera an ideal remedy to try for stretch marks, Apply pure aloe vera to your stretch marks after a shower daily and see your stretch marks become better right before your very eyes. Now you can purchase your very own aloe vera plants. I will have a link down below as to where you can get one from Amazon and they will just deliver it to your house, and or you can go to your local Walmart and get it. I will definitely have links down below. Please keep in mind that those are affiliate links and I will earn a small commission from them. Number 4, we have hyaluronic acid. Collagen is the protein in your skin that allows it to appear plump and healthy. That is why when people are younger, their skin is more plump, their cheeks are more plump, everything is just nice and plump. But as you become older, things start to wrinkle up, and that is because you lose all of your collagen. So hyaluronic acid is a way to add that collagen back into your skin. Collagen production can be stimulated with hyaluronic acid, therefore helping your skin to reduce the appearance of those stretch marks and to get back the plump beautifulness of your skin, okay? And you can take hyaluronic acid by consuming it through pill form and or through extract. And last but not least on my list, we have coconut oil. Since stretch marks are scarring from skin damage, coconut oil might help heal the appearance quickly. Now, if you did not know, coconut oil has been studied for its healing properties. It has also been founded to reduce the healing time for all types of wounds. Apply virgin coconut oil to your stretch marks each and every single day, and it might help to take away some of that redness and also reduce the appearance of those stretch marks altogether. The overall thing to take from this video is the best way to keep off those stretch marks is by keeping your skin hydrated, okay? You want to make sure to keep the areas that you don't want stretch marks in completely moisturized, okay? Whether that be through oils, whether that be through lotions, I don't know, but make sure that you do not miss the step of lotioning up your bodies. And there are too many people that are missing out on that step each and every single day. So definitely make sure that you're taking care of your skin. That way you can keep off those stretch marks, because what we learned from this is stretch marks typically come from dry skin, okay? They come from skin that is not receiving enough moisture. So that is all the tips that I have for keeping off stretch marks. And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your sweet comment and for your consistent support here on my channel. You know that I'm always grateful for your support, and this is just my way of sharing my love back to you. And if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.